With days of protests and outrage over the alleged irregularities on the conduct of the NEET examination by the NTA, which is the National Testing Agency, heads finally have now begun to roll. In a big development, the central government has removed Subodh Kumar as the DG of the NTA, replacing him with the IAS officer Pradeep Singh Kharola. Subodh Kumar Singh, who has now been put on compulsory wait in the Department of Personnel and Training. The removal of Subodh Kumar is the latest in the series of the steps that the government has now taken amid the NEET showdown. And in another significant step, the Ministry of Education has also decided to entrust the CBI to look into the matter of alleged irregularities in the conduct of the NEET examination. The government has so far also formed a 7-member committee headed by former ISRO Chief Dr. K. Radhakrishnan. It aims to transparent conduct and also data security and improvements in the functioning of NTA. Earlier, the centre notified a stringent anti-paper league law with an aim to curb malpractices and irregularities when it comes to competitive examinations. Meanwhile, the exam mess continues to spiral, with yet another medical examination getting postponed to the exam list. The Health Ministry, as a precautionary measure, has decided to postpone the NEET PG entrance exam, which was scheduled to be held today.
We're currently inside one of the testing rooms, one of the examination centers here at the Vijaya Senior Secondary School. We're going to try and give you a sense of this exact room where the exam took place. In fact, requesting my camera person Vibet to also pan around and show you here the visuals. This is the exact spot where the examination was taking place, and requesting my camera person to also pan into the CCTV camera which is present here. There are supposed to be 2 cameras which are supposed to be present here, but the second camera has been taken back by the NET. Students, however, have alleged when it comes to this school that they have stated that they did not get the right set of paper, and when they did get it, they were not told that they will be getting extra time. So they ended up answering questions in a very hurried fashion, and they then could not undo their mistakes, is what the students have alleged. The admin, however, has stated that extra time was given, sufficient time was given, and the fact that the examinations took place in a free and fair manner. But showing you here the visuals of the examination center so as to make it more clear as to what exactly took place here. You can see that these tables have been placed. In fact, there is this gap that has also been placed between the chairs and the tables, and students are asked to sit on these places as well. But here in the visuals, in the ground reality, you can see that one camera is still here, while the second, which was installed by the NET, has been taken away.
In the meantime, talk about the politics that has been taking place. The opposition, which has been gunning for the Modi Sarkar, for the Education Ministry. Let's also, in the meantime, take a look exactly what the reasons that have now been cited by the said authority when it comes to postponement of the examination. This was the NEET PG examination that was scheduled for June 23rd, which is today. The reason that has been cited for the postponement, saying that we'll undertake a thorough assessment of the robustness of the processes of the NEET PG examination. Now, there was another examination that was postponed. That was a joint CSIR UGC NET examination that was scheduled to happen between the 25th and the 27th of June this month. Reason that has been cited for postponement, saying that unavoidable circumstances and logistical issues have been the one that have remained as far as the postponement reason. The UGC NET examination that took place on the 18th of June, that has been cancelled. The reason that has been cited, that UGC NET paper was apparently leaked on the darknet, and investigation is underway, so that when it comes to the future of the students, that is not put in stake, and there were proactive steps that were taken on part of the authority.